pandemic, right? And I'm sure you've heard about the saying, there's nothing permanent in this world except change, right? And we hope that with our activity today, you'll see some changes on your mindset in terms of a simple text message. How can it change the customer experience? That may also change the direction of your business projecting upwards. Right? Nowadays, it's competition is very tough, right? Meron ako ikikwento sa insurance company. Life insurance company standard, they cover you from birth to death, right? Sino nasa insurance dito? Meron ba? Uy, okay. So, that is the standard, right? So, may kwento na si president nila, mag-isip tayo ng let's think about another tagline to catch the attention of the market. Pagalingan tayo mag-isip. Alright? So, submit your recommendation for a tagline. Aside from the standard from life to death. So, tatanungin ko ngayon sa inyo, meron ba kayo naisip na mas maganda pa, mas matindi pa sa tagline ng from life to death? Yes, sir.
From womb to tomb.
Galing. Galing ni sir. From womb to tomb. Actually, yun yung pangalawa. From womb to tomb. No? May mas matindi pa ba doon? Meron ba? May naisip kayo? Any? So from womb to tomb, nandito yan eh. Bibigay ko. Ayokong basahin. Baka makakol na ko eh. Kaya bigyan natin ng premyo si sir. From womb to tomb. May second envelope. Huwag ho kayong magagalit sa